Hi, math learners. Anna's here, and she's going to tell us how she did 76 times 4, or 4 groups of 76, and how she pictures in her mind using money. So, Anna, I've gone ahead and I've put the money out because you told me that you like to think of 76 as 3/4 and a penny. So that's 76, right? 25, 50, 75, 76. And I put up 4 of them. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now to figure this out, we have to figure out the total amount of money. So how do you want to do that?
Well, I want to split into 76 and 5.
76 and 5.
I mean 75 and 1.
75 and 1. So basically like a little invisible line here for each one, right? So there's the 75 and there's the 1. Okay, so I'll write that down over here. So 75 and 1. Now, how are we going to figure this out?
Well, I know I'm going to do 75 times 4.
Okay, so 75 times 4. So 75 times 4. 75 times 4 plus 1 times 4. Okay, so what's 75 times 4? That's right here.
Well, 75 plus 75 is 150.
Yeah, and can we just sort of, maybe what we can do is we can just rearrange it like that for them. So then you see the dollar right away, and then
Because we have another one in the same group, 150 plus 150 equals 300.
Yeah, so $1.50 plus $1.50 would give you 300. So 300.
And then 1 times 4 is just 4.
Yeah, it's just 4 pennies, right? So then we have 300 plus 4, which, you know, is just 304. That's pretty easy. So 76 times 4 is equal to 304. That was
or $3.04.
Or $3.04. That was awesome.
Thanks. Bye, everyone.
Hi, everyone. Today, Louis is going to tell us how he does 76 times 4 by thinking about money and what you see in your head.
Yeah.
Okay, so I've put this out. So I've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And then this is a nickel, so it's worth 5. So 75, 76. And I put out 4 of them. So here's another one. And another one. And another one. So to figure out 76 times 4, we have to figure out the total amount of money that's here.
Yeah.
Okay, how do you want to do it?
Can we split the 76 into 70 and 6?
Yes, so 70 and 6. So here's the 70, and there's the 6. And I'll do that for each one, right? There's like this little invisible wall there.
Yeah.
Okay. So if we look here, it's 4 times 6, right? Where's the 4 groups of 6 here?
The 4 groups of 6 is here.
Right here, yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and just circle them, okay? So that's 4 times 6. What's 4 times 6, Louis?
4 times 6 is 24.
Yeah, and we can see it easily here, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Yeah. So I'm going to write 24 here. Then I have 4 times 7.
Yeah.
Where's the 4 times 7 over here?
The 4 times 7 is here.
Okay, because there's, let's just show everyone, there's 7 dimes in each row here, and there's 4 of them, right?
Yeah.
So how many dimes do we have in total if we think about 4 times 7?
Well, we have 28 dimes.
There's 28 dimes. Okay, so I'm going to put 28 here, but the amount of money, right, if there's 28 dimes, that means that there's $2.80.
Yeah.
Okay, because there's 24 cents here and $2.80 there. So what's the total amount of money we have here?
Well, when we add this up together, it's 304. So 304.
304. So 76 times 4 equals 304. Awesome. That was great, Louis.
Thanks. Bye.